Hello everyone. In this brief guide, I'll demonstrate how to remove your Snapchat call history. Whether it's for privacy or organization, clearing your call log is a breeze and can be accomplished in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. To begin, launch the Snapchat app and tap on the Bitmoji icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Next, navigate to the gear icon positioned in the top right corner. Once you've accessed the settings page, scroll down until you locate the privacy control section. Within this section, proceed to select Clear Conversations, and then tap on the X icon adjacent to the conversation you wish to erase. Once completed, the call history for that specific conversation will be removed. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions regarding this process, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Additionally, if you found this guide helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.